So welcome friends in the lecture series of limit state method, and today we are going to see the numericals on the analysis of a singly reinforced section. So now in such numericals, the specifications of the singly reinforced sections will be given, means they will give you the depth of beam, width of beam, amount of reinforcement provided for the beam, and they will ask you to find out the limiting moment of resistance or moment of resistance of the beam, or they will ask you to find out the shape load carried by the beam, or shape uniformly distributed load carried by the beam, shape concentrated load carried by the beam. Okay, so such type of numericals we will see in today's lecture. So I will read the numerical first, please note it down and then we will solve. Okay, a single reinforced concrete beam section of size 250 by 500 mm overall depth is reinforced with 4 bars of 20 mm diameter on tension side at effective cover of 30 mm. I repeat, a reinforced concrete beam section of size 250 by 500 mm overall depth is reinforced with 4 bars of 20 mm diameter on tension side at effective cover of 30 mm. Determine the concentrated load that beam can support at the center on an effective simply supported span of 5 meter. Determine the concentrated load that beam can support at an effective span of simply supported beam of 5 meter. The grade of concrete and steel used are M20 and Fe415 respectively. So what they have given, the size of beam, I will write the given parameters. Size of beam is given, means B is given 250 multiplied by 500, so 250 is the width. Overall depth is given, it is 500 mm. Then AST is given, amount of reinforcement 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. So if you calculate this, you will get 1256 mm square. Then span of beam is given, it is 5 meter. Then effective cover is given, it is 30 mm. Okay. Now what they have asked that this beam is simply supported over a span of 5 meter, and we have to calculate the load, that is concentrated load supported at the center. Okay, we have to calculate this W. So for that we have to calculate first moment of resistance for this beam, and we have to equate that moment of resistance to the bending moment of this beam, and then we have to calculate the W value. Okay, so first of all we have to calculate, or we have to check whether the beam is balanced section, over reinforced or under reinforced. Then we will calculate moment of resistance of that beam, and then we will calculate this W value by equating moment of resistance and bending moment. Okay. So first is calculation of actual XU. Step number 1, calculation of actual XU. So how will you define whether the section is under reinforced or over reinforced? If you calculate XU value, you will get to know whether the section is under reinforced, over reinforced or balanced. So for that we have this general equation of XU, that is 0.87 Fy into AST divided by 0.36 FCK into B. So 0.87 Fy is 415. They have given FCK FCK 20 and FY 415. ASP is 1256 divided by 0.36, FCK 20 and B is 250. If you substitute all the values, you will get this XU as 252.05 mm. This is actual XU. Now you have to compare this actual XU with XU limit, means limiting value of neutral axis. So what is XU limit? For this Fe415 grade steel, it is 0.48D. We have derived this. If steel of grade Fe415, XU limit will be 0.48D. So 0.48 multiplied by small d. Now see, here overall depth is given, effective cover is also given. So small d if you calculate, you will get 500 minus d. So 500 that is capital D minus d dash. So 500 minus 30, that is 470 mm. 470 mm. So this gives you the value 225.6 mm. Okay. Now, if you compare these two values, XU is greater than XU limit. XU is greater than XU limit. It gives that the section is over reinforced. Gives that the section is over reinforced. Section is over reinforced. Now in that case, how will you calculate MR? Moment of resistance. कैसे calculate करेंगे? Okay. See, if section is under reinforced, MR will be equal to tension, that is 0.87 Fy into AST into D minus 0.416 XU. You have seen that. If under reinforced section is there. If section is balanced, MR is equal to MU limit. Section is balanced means MR is equal to MU limit, that is 0.138 FCKBD square, 0.148 FCKBD square or 0.133 FCKBD square. As per that equations we can calculate MR for balanced section. But what if the section is over reinforced? See, over reinforced sections are not allowed. So for that, moment of resistance of that particular section is limited to this MU limit value. So MR in that case is equal to again MU limit. Now our case is over reinforced section, so MR will be equal to MU limit. So it means 0.138 FCKBD square or Fe415 or Fe415. Substitute all the values. FCK 20B is 250 and D is 470 square. So if you calculate this, you will get 152.42 into 10 raised to 6 Newton mm or 152.42 kilonewton meter. Now they have asked you to find out a safe load. Now see, this is a case of being simply supported and point put at the center. So bending moment for this type of beam will be maximum at the center and it is equal to WL by 4. It is equal to WL by 4. And to section to be in equilibrium, section to be safe, this bending moment should be equal to this moment of resistance of that particular section. Okay. Now this is a normal bending moment, and factor bending moment should be equal to 1.5 times WL divided by 4. Factor bending moment, and we need the factor bending moment, not because we are taking into the design parts, we will do the factor moment. Okay. So now equate this to this your moment of resistance. So 1.5 into W into L divided by 4 is equal to 152.42. So we want to calculate W. So 152.42 multiplied by 4 divided by length is 5 meter, and this 1.5, that is our partial safety factor. If you calculate this, you will get 81.29 kilonewton. Means for this particular beam, a self concentrated load at the center which can be carried by this beam is 81.49, not more than this. Okay. So such type of analysis problem will be there in your university exam. So now this problem was asked in the May 2019 Mumbai University examinations. Okay. We'll see some similar numericals in next lecture also. Thank you.